The rebel Arakan army received a major success that could redraw the South Asian map when it took over the Western Command headquarters of the resource-rich Rakhine state of Myanmar. The rebel army is now eyeing the junta regime's weapons factories along the Irrawaddy River to help it in resistance attacks. The Western Command was the Myanmar military's second regional command to fall into the Ethnic Armed Organizations (EAO) hands in 2024. The Myanmar military had earlier lost control of the Northeastern Command in Lashio to the Myanmar National Democratic Alliance Army (MNDAA) in August 2024. Now, this has exposed Myanmar's 25 weapons factories to the rebels. There are 15 factories in Magwe region, 7 in Bago region, 2 in Naypyidaw Tatkone, and 1 in Yangon's Taki township. The weapons factories in Magwe and Bago are located on the west bank of the Irrawaddy River. These factories manufacture rocket-propelled grenades and ammunition of large-caliber weapons. These factories were set up in the region as Rakhine was not facing armed conflict, and people from Rakhine served in the Myanmar military. Building factories in the Rakhine with the Arakan Mountains in the west and the Irrawaddy River in the east seemed like a safe strategy. The access to the region with the weapons factories is by An Padang Road, which links the Rakhine Mountains with the Magwe region. The anti-regime forces had seized control of the An Padang Road, where Junta's Artillery Battalion Headquarters 905 and Artillery Battalion 375 are located. Controlling these battalions will bring the weapon factories within the reach of the Arakan army. The Myanmar military's coup in 2021 that ousted the democratically elected government resulted in protracted political turmoil in the country. Mass protests were triggered across the country, especially in the regions dominated by ethnic minorities. A three-pronged alliance of opposition forces, including the Myanmar National Democratic Alliance Army, MNDAA, the Tarang National Liberation Army, TNLA, and the Arakan Army, RR, launched a large offensive in Shan State in late 2023. The Shan State borders China. And now the rebels have secured control over vast swathes of territory in the northern Shan State and the western Rakhine State. The fall of Rakhine State means that the Arakan army has gained full control of the 271-kilometer, 168-mile, long border with Bangladesh, making it the first full border of Myanmar with any country to fall. There have been reports that the Arakan army, the largest of the rebel groups, now controls areas inside Bangladesh along the Myanmar-Bangladesh border. This could lead to a fight between the Bangladesh army and the Arakan army, further exacerbating the security crisis in the region.